No, Carl! Don't leave me! Carl! No! It's a bad choice you're making. No!
I gotta do it. I
No!
gotta go.
No!
Okay, bye. Talk.
You just get out. I don't want you anymore.
Bye! Wait, come back! Come back, please! No, just get away!
No!
Ow!
Carl, come back. Let's have a conversation. I got nothing to say to you. But Carl, we've been through everything together. We've been going out for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 7 days, and 14 hours, and 12 minutes. Make that 13.
Alright, fine, we win. You did that, yeah! Stop that.
So, Carl, you've been sneaking around, haven't you, Carl? I just know it, Carl. Carl, don't lie to me, Carl.
Halloween, what do you expect?
Sneaking around with other Hillary Clintons, their little masks. Yeah, no, I know, Carl. Why do you have no hair on the back of your head? Don't answer that, Carl. I want to know.
It's a medical condition, okay?
Not okay. Just leave, Carl. Leave.
I'm never coming back.
Wait, Carl!
Yes. My voice is changing. That is not good.
Get back in
Deuces, I'm out. Deuces, I'm out.